Pole saw versus chainsaw. In the debate between the pole saw versus chainsaw, to decide which one's best, we need to go through their attributes thoroughly. Let's do that. Pole saw. Number 1. Pole saws are saws having a long pole with a cutting head mounted on it. These have a simple slender body. They have two main body parts: the cutting head and the pole. The cutting head of the saw consists of a sharp blade including different cool features based on the brand you will be using. Normally the powered pole saws have interesting features like auto-lubrication facility, easy chain tensioning capability, easy maintenance system, branch hook extension, and so on. Number 2. Affordability. Cheap pole saws with an electric motor are simple and affordable. More expensive instruments are equipped with a gasoline engine designed for permanent operation. The higher the price, the greater the power and productivity of these tools. Of course, an important advantage of pole saws with a low-power electric motor is a reduced price, the minimum waste of money and time on maintenance, quiet operation, and no pollution or emissions. Number 3. Parameters for cutting a tree crown. If you need a multifunctional instrument to trim hedges and tree crowns, then it is better to buy a model with a length of 13 to 20 inches. The headset chain of pole saws is similar to chainsaws, a standard pitch of 0.325 for household and 0.404 for professional models. Chainsaw. Number 1. Chainsaws are similar to the cutting head of powered pole saws. These saws have a chain blade from which they get the name chainsaw. The chain blade remains attached to a guide bar which rotates at a very high speed to make successful cuts. Their working mechanism includes a power source allowing them to work automatically. Number 2. Another alternative to chainsaws and pole saws is a lopper with an extendable pole operating by means of a rope and pulley system. These are light-duty tools capable of cutting the branches 3/4 inches in diameter. You may want to check such extendable instruments where a blade can be attached separately when you are going to prune. The mechanism works by pushing and pulling the saw's pole. If you still have questions regarding what is best, pole saw or chainsaw, please compare the options offered by manufacturers. Some tools are electric, environment-friendly and powerful. Other manual cutters are more affordable and easier to handle. The choice mostly depends on your daily gardening tasks for cutting trees and bushes.